Welcome to Cooking with Hilda one more time. Today we are gonna make the most beautiful tamales for your Valentine's Day.
I know it feels like I know it feels like I'm in love.
To make homemade tamales, we just need very few ingredients and they're super easy to make. We need corn flour, salt, a liquid, baking powder, and corn husk that has to be put in hot water like an hour before starting this process so it's soft and easy to use. Masa harina is corn flour, finely ground white corn. You can use any brand you like. This is the most popular to make tamales. 4 cups of flour, and then we add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. When I make tamales, I like to use as a liquid my own homemade broth. It is delicious and give it that extra flavor boost that we need in the tamales. And then we just mix. Add a little bit more of bone broth if necessary. Half of a cup of avocado oil. Now, this is where we need our imagination. You can use flowers. Of course, has to be edible flowers. Don't go in your garden, just go cut any flower you see. Has to be flowers that you can eat. If you are from Guatemala, chances are that you heard a lot about chipilín. And I use chipilín because it reminds me from my origins and I like it. Now we choose the flowers and we are gonna start making the tamalitos. By the way, thank you for all the comments you guys leave. I love them, and even when I don't answer all or respond to each one of them, I read them all. I love them. And in one of my tamales video from the past, one of you left me a comment saying that you wanted a recipe for fewer tamales, so this is perfect because we are just gonna make 14 tamales. So we made here some same size bowls. I have 7, I got 14 in total. And what we're going to do now is grab one of these bowls and put it here and put it on parchment paper and press it with another piece of parchment paper, just like this. And when it's like that, we're gonna grab our petals and set them in a pretty shape. Yeah, some other colors. And by the way, you can use the chipilín flowers if your chipilín has little yellow flowers. Mine didn't have. Just like this. And then we grab the chipilín, just like that. And now we're gonna grab and we put this pretty face down like this. The pretty face goes down, and now we fold it like this. Like this, like this, and it couldn't be easier. And now we cook them. For this process, you don't need a big tamale pot because we are just making few. So you can use a smaller one. If you don't have your olla tamalera, you can also use your steamer and let it cook for around 45 minutes. And cook them for around 45 minutes. And this is how beautiful your tamales look for your Valentine's Day. Thank you guys for being one more time here with me in Cooking with Hilda. And if you love this video and found value in it, please give me a thumbs up. See you guys next time.